Hello. Well, we had a big storm here at the weekend. It's called Storm Bert. And as far as the wind was concerned, it wasn't too bad. But when it came to the stream, I have never seen it as high as it was. As you can see, the levels dropped a little bit now, so that's a relief. I wasn't planning to show you the patio area here. I was going to wait till it's all finished, but yeah, you've had a sneak peek already, so let's have a proper look. Now I love the way it comes to a sharp end next to the water. Trying to think what else has been happening. There was a bit of snow. We had our first frost of the year. Not too much damage, I'm pleased to say. Now, interestingly, I've got an echium over there and another one down by the stream. And the echium just here was a little bit worse from the frost. But the one by the stream seemed to have no damage at all to it. It was just a couple of nights of frost and they can shrug off a little bit. So I didn't wrap them in fleece and they seem to have done okay. But when we get longer spells of cold weather, I'll be wrapping them up and hoping they make it through to 2025. And that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. Bye for now.